Who's that girl? So hi guys, this video is about how I got this look. Look at this pretty girl. So if you want to know how I got this look, keep on watching. Hi guys, my name is Vimati and you're welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a get ready with me video. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. That will make me really happy, guys. I really need your help, so let's jump into the video of today. So first of all, I will be using my PVMA glow oil. This oil is very nice. It's very soothing on the skin and it helps your skin glow, also lightens your skin a little. So this oil is the bomb. You can send me a message or comment if you want me to let you know how I get the oil. Oil is very good. I just started using it anyway and I fell in love with the oil. So I'll be starting off my makeup today with the foundation. You know, normally people like to draw their brow first, but in this tutorial I will be starting my makeup with my foundation. And of course there's this hack that I want to teach you all today using Pro Concealer and Beauty Blender. So I'm going to start by using the Pro Concealer, Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to put that in the places where I want my face to be bright, and just use my beauty blender to blend it all. This is an MK beauty blender. Just blend it all in so that that place can be light. Of course I am not using a primer. So this hack is just going to give you that primer feel, and of course help those places that are mostly oily. So that is why I used it this way. So next up I'm going to be going with the classic mattifying liquid mattifying foundation. This foundation is not totally a full coverage, but it's very good. There are other classic products that are better, but this was what I could lay my hands on when I went to buy a classic product. So you can get this anywhere or order from classic makeup. So I am working that through my skin, blending it all over my skin. You know, it's very important that you blend very well. And next up I'm going in with my concealer again. So of course this is to highlight under my eye. Who doesn't like a bright under eye anyway? My nose, my chin and my forehead. So you just blend all that out to give you this highlighted look. So of course we're going with the Ben Eye powder. Well, this powder is very common to most makeup artists. Very simple and very affordable. So I'm just gonna put it all over my skin, work it through my skin, my under eye, those highlighted places. And for some reason I'm going to use my brush to brush it out, because I actually do not really love too much baking. So I just brush off the excesses. And so right away we are going to do our brows, and I'm going to be doing that with a powder. Now that's exactly what I wanted to teach you guys in this video. I'm going to be using a powder for my brows and using this brush. So I'm going to use the darkest shade of the powder palette from Classic, also sorry, Ushas, I mean to fill in my brow with this brow. And then I'm using an eyeshadow also to fill in my brow. Black eyeshadow, guys. Now this is what it looks like when you use a eyeshadow and powder to fill in your brow. guys, if you cannot afford all those very expensive feeling, you can just use this hack I am teaching you, and trust me, you just work. Just take your time and fill it in, then use your brush to like brush it all out to make it effortlessly filled. Then I'm going in with my brush also to highlight my brows and give it a definition. Of course, I'm still using the LA Girl Pro Concealer to highlight my brow and give it that definition that I want. This will take a while, but work your way through it and make sure it's really nice. And of course, in this video I'm really sweaty. This place is really hot. There's no light upon Nigeria, and I'm just using natural light, and it's really hot. In between this video I had to really fan myself, but I cut that out. So of course we're still blending out the highlighting of the brows, highlighting it so that it looks really perfect, especially knowing that we filled in this brow with an eyeshadow, darker shade of eyeshadow and powder, just to give it that natural feel instead of using a pencil as usual. This can really work. So of course I'm using that to pat my face again, and I'm going in with this to just blend it all out and give me this very nice definition. So right now I'm going in with my eyeshadow again in the shade pink, and this kind of eyeshadow is the type you can get in a drugstore. It's called CASVVNE. So I'm using the pink color of the eyeshadow, and it's looking really nice because I love it. So I'm just working that through my brows. Then I went in with a MAC under eye pencil to define my makeup, and a HUDEBEAUTY eyeliner, gel eyeliner. Okay guys, please allow me feel myself a little bit.
Just going with a powder. I love powders to make everything look good.
So yes, I love powder, so I'm going in with my Ushas powder. I couldn't show you guys this powder because it's really broken. It fell off and broke, and it wasn't looking so nice. So I'm using the darker shade at this part to contour my under cheekbone, and I really like using powder to contour. Like I said, it's easier and it makes it natural.
So I hope you guys liked. I love this video. It's so sad my video stopped recording in between, and I did not have a clue, guys. I'm very sorry. And but this is the final look, y'all, and I did a lot of improvising as usual in this video and used a lot of arc. But please follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel.
And of course this is the eyelash which I used when I was filming, and it stopped, so I just wanted to show you guys.
Subscribe to my
So I'll run through the improvisations that I did in this video. I actually used an eyeshadow to do my bronzer, the same as a vein eyeshadow. That's what I use for my bronzer in case you do not have a bronzer. And so many other things I did in this video, and it's so sad that I cannot show you guys because well, it's fine, don't worry, I'll do another video, and I hope it doesn't stop me in the middle. Okay.